Breaking news, MTN Ghana has confirmed a cybersecurity breach which is affecting over 5,700 customers. So meaning that over 5,700 MTN customers' data has been compromised. So this is what you have to do if you are an MTN user. Number one, make sure that you change your password. Number two, check for any suspicious messages and also suspicious calls that you receive on your phone. Make sure that you change it. So this is what the Ministry of Communication and Data Protection is also doing. They are also running an investigation on this issue. So please stay protected. Make sure that you change your password. Check for any suspicious calls and messages, and also any suspicious activity that goes on your phone. Make sure that you change it. If you are anyone who uses a VPN, you are also likely to be hacked. If you are someone who uses VPN, you are likely to be hacked. If you use public Wi-Fi, that one also is very risky. If you are someone who likes using public Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, so any hacker who is on the same Wi-Fi with you can hack or can have access to your phone. Stay protected. If you have any issue, you can put it at the comment section. I'll give you an answer to it. Share this video for others so that they are also being protected. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this video has helped you a lot to gain a little knowledge. Follow me for more tech tips. Thank you.